Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Oh my god, I didn't even do my intro. Hey guys, it's Luna. Right now we are thrifting. We are at a place called Hidden Treasures in Topanga, California. It's one of the best thrift shops. You can find some really crazy stuff here. I'm here with Max. No, my brother Max.
Hi.
We're at Hidden Treasures. Look how cool it is. Oh my god. Ew, that's so scary. I don't like that.
Why didn't Kawasaki and Maccabi and Robbie because you bad. My name's Clevis. What is that?
Has a tail. Vibes?
What is that?
Yeah.
My name's Clevis.
You know what this is? It's like the little horse from Narnia.
Yes.
Talking about.
Scoop boy.
Found this cute little like slip dress, like coat with feathers. Could be a vibe. Could they be a vibe? Maybe. Okay. Failure. I'm here with Elliot. You guys remember him from my boyfriend video. Just to set the record straight, because some of you guys still didn't get the message, Elliot is not my boyfriend. We're basically brother and sister, but we're not, but we are. Elliot is just going into high school in 2 days. Today, I wanted to sit down and do a little bit of a different kind of video because I used to do a lot of like styling or structured videos instead of like vlogging, and I kind of want to bring that back. It helps me like stay creative. So I brought in the style expert over here, Elliot. If you just look through his Instagram, he is the best style, and everything he does is like thrifted or upcycled. All of Elliot's clothes are cool and I take so much inspiration from him, so we went thrifting. I've been really into 90s style lately, so like Jennifer Aniston vibes, J-Lo vibes, very like old school 90s tomboyish like mom vibes. Cardigans, we love a good cardigan. Like low waist jeans, it's all about low waist these days. Little schoolgirl skirts. Lucky for you guys, this is like the best style to thrift because all that they have in like Goodwill and Salvation Army is Gap cardigans.
Literally
like
that,
for so cheap. So I went ham at Goodwill and Salvation Army. I'm basically gonna show you what I got, how I'm gonna style it, and just show you guys that you can still look cute and style yourself on a budget. Without further ado, this is a haul. I got this cardigan. Immediately stood out to me because it has this little like ruffle on the end, but this is like complete mom vibes. I might actually sew like a little ribbon on the front so that it just ties in one spot. I think it'd be really cute. This was like $4. The skirt's a little weird. I didn't know it was Velcro, but it is. I got this skirt. I am so excited about this. I have a blazer that matches this, which is why I kind of got it, but it's a little low-waist schoolgirl skirt. So cute. I can't believe I scored with this one. And this one was $4 from Goodwill, but it's literally Velcro. It's kind of iconic. Easy access. This shirt is like 10 things I hate about you vibes. This would be cute with like boot cut jeans, I feel like. Low waist. Yeah. This was $3.49. Elliot found this one for me. This is a cute little cardigan, like baby miniature cardigan. Is this like from the kids section?
No, because it has long arms.
Oh my god, you're right. Wow. How much was this one? Like $5? Less?
Yeah, less, like $3.
This is so random, but I've always wanted Champion sweatpants, and they were $5.49 or something like that. This actually looks really like Spice Girls vibes if you do it like low waist with a little crop top. This one is so cute. I already know I'm gonna throw this on all the time. It's just an oversized like dad sweater with Doc Martens. It's the cutest.
Love it. It's actually so cute.
And I've seen this print come in a lot lately. Like Emma Chamberlain was wearing that shirt. Yeah. Super in. This was like $4 maybe. I cannot believe I found this skirt.
I love that.
Look at this little low-waist schoolgirl skirt. Like, hello Goodwill, pull through. Oh, it's Target. You're kidding. How cute is that? With a little cardigan and dock. Okay, this Elliot convinced me to buy $4. It's a little Harley Davidson tee, but we both decided we're gonna crop it like real short. Scissors are your friend when it comes to thrifting. She's chomping. My mom has a bunch of fabric scissors since she's a designer, which really helps. Done. You know what else? Headbands.
Yeah. No.
You know what else, guys?
I guess that actually
Headbands.
works, but not really. Actually.
Look at this.
Oh, it's
Vibes. You guys, vibes. These jeans, you guys, Elliot picked them out for me from the men's section. So
yeah,
my biggest advice to girls out there that kind of want that low baggy vibe is to go men's section and go about like 2-3 sizes up from your waist size. And they're the perfect low waist baggy jean. I can't even explain, but we put them on. We were in the dressing room and I put them on and we both looked at each other and we're like, magic. And look, I already have a hole in the butt. Disaster.
if you're like a guy, go to the girls section too, because the stuff could be mixed up or something. I always find the best stuff there too.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what?
I don't know. I've just found some of my favorite stuff where it shouldn't be.
I-
Look through literally everything, or else you won't find anything.
Yeah. You also have to be in like a perfect mindset to go thrifting.
Yeah.
Like get a yerbs for sure. Well rested. Also, another thing, don't wear like difficult stuff. Wear like flip-flops and like comfy clothes that you can just strip off and on. Because Goodwill doesn't have dressing rooms.
Literally none of them have fitting rooms.
This is so funny. If you know me, you know I love cheetah print, leopard print, anything. So this is like a huge silk nightgown, but I thought it would be fun to kind of wear it as a jacket. This was
probably like
this was $4.99. So okay, this one I kind of took a chance with. This is definitely kind of the mom vibes cardigan, but this is a short sleeve. And I tried it on and it actually looked really cute on. Just very casual vibes. I love the nude color. This was $1.99. These were kind of a random buy. So these are Under Armour, but I love wearing track pants with crop tops and just going full Spice Girls, like, because you're so comfy and then you look so cute and like stylish. So Spice Girls vibes are in, you guys. Oh my god, you're not even ready for this. When I say ye,
you say ha.
I saw these on the shelf. The woman at Goodwill was like, they're not your size. I'm like, I don't give a shit. I'm getting them anyway. They're definitely a little bit too big, but it's better than being small, right? And they were $6, so like I had to do it. Cowboy boot, anything are always in. With like a cute dress, country vibes are in. And this is probably the cutest thing ever. Very like Lisa Frank, Devin Lee Carlson vibes.
Yeah.
It's a little slip, like see-through, but you just wear like something under.
I did not realize how much stuff you got.
This is it's insane, but it's so cheap.
Was that
like,
the last thing?
Yeah. This was $3.99. $3.99. This is so in, this tie-dye print right now. It's huge. So next I went to a kind of more expensive thrift shop called Wasteland. This is like, they have a couple locations in LA, but it's definitely pricier, but you can find some really good finds. And then one thing like I feel like you need to invest in or is worth investing in is a cool jacket. Like whether it's a bomber jacket or like a cool leather jacket, something like that. I was in the men's section and I saw this. You guys look. Montana. Anything that says Montana I have to get. But no, for real, like I picked this out and I didn't know it said Montana on it. It's like the coolest color. A cool jacket you throw over any outfit and you're gonna look fire. Like this was $48, which is not that bad, to be honest. If you guys don't have very many good thrift shops near you, one thing I would suggest is Brandy Melville. I know it's pretty basic, but they have a lot of good basics, obviously. So I get a ton of my cardigans from there. Purple, cream, zip up hoodies. This, I don't know where this is from. It doesn't have a tag, but this is so in right now. This fuzzy, what do you call it? Fuzzy fabric. I love Depop, and I know Elliot loves Depop too. We both sell our clothes on there, so link below. One thing I love to buy on Depop is hats. I feel like they always have the coolest stuff. So
I've never bought a hat on Depop.
Really? So these cute little bucket hats, again in the same kind of fuzzy fabric, are so cute. This cheetah one is iconic. I've worn it in way too many Instagram photos.
Baby, this on.
No, you look so cute. So cute! And then I got this black one from Urban yesterday for, I think it was $20, which isn't that bad, honestly. the fuzzy fabric again. So cute. You guys know I love Converse. I always have so many old Converse that are kind of worn out. I don't really know what to do with them. My new thing has been being creative and like learning to customize my Converse and make them into something that nobody has. These are the most iconic shoes you'll probably ever see on YouTube. I don't know if you guys know me, but my thing is yerba mate. Guayaki, it's a brand. Whole thing on Instagram now. Okay, so I drew a mint yerba mate. I literally just painted it and then used Crayola markers.
Literally, how do you do this?
I don't know.
This is like perfect.
Sometimes I just can be really artistic, but that's like my number one thing. Customize as much as you can because it's so much better to be original than have something everyone else has. Obviously. Another thing I wanted to talk about with Depop is that they have the best jewelry, and you guys are always asking me where I get my earrings from. Yeah. These little angels, they're from Depop. And then these hearts, you're always asking me about these hearts. Yeah. These hearts, Depop as well. They're so cute.
I want my ears pierced. That's all.
We're gonna pierce his ears tonight.
Right now.
Secretly. Can we just do it?
No, I'm not letting you pierce my ears, but...
You guys ask where I get these sunglasses a lot. And they're kind of just this very 90s, like, vintage. These ones are from Glasses USA, which, you know, I've talked about before. I'll link them below. Very cute. I love investing in a good pair of sunglasses as well. And the last thing I have to talk about is how I do my hair in that very like 90s updo. What you need is a big, huge clip that's really strong. You can do like a middle part. I'll show you the middle part. It's like you're doing a low ponytail, but then you start twisting up like that. You twist up like that, take the comb and literally just go like that, and then style it like it's a little pony. And take some pieces from the front.
So cute.
And then it's so vintage, like 90s Bella Hadid type. So vintage. It's so vintage. You can also do it with a side part. Twist up, take the comb, clip. And then you got a little side part one. Do you have anything to say? I feel like I've been talking this whole video.
People always ask me how do I describe my style, and I literally have no idea.
Yeah.
Like my style, I can't really describe it because it'll be different like next week, probably.
Right? But like currently right now.
And it's so annoying because I get sick of things so fast and I just have to throw it away and stuff.
One of the biggest things I want you guys to take away from this video is that thrifting is almost like always better than buying new. Also just for the environment. Yeah. It's so important to shop secondhand and also like sell your clothes, which we're doing it on Depop. And super important, especially right now with everything going on in fast fashion and just how we dispose of our clothing. It's definitely a major problem. So you can always thrift amazing items, which I showed you today. I hope you guys have some good thrift shops near your area. I'm sure you do. Just give places a chance, always. Yeah. And be in the good mindset to search. That's all I have for you. Do you have anything to add? No. Everyone go follow Elliot on Instagram. I promise you won't regret it. He's the coolest, actually an angel. And also follow me on Instagram if you want. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next week. Bye.
She on me like, hey, yeah.